Good afternoon, YouTube fam. Hey man, it's a beautiful day for a ride. We're gonna jump on the bike. We're gonna ride. And I just want to say what I'm thankful for. Hey man, we had to make a pit stop on the side of the road. This guy ran out of gas and we tried to give him a boost, but it didn't work. So he rode on the back of my bicycle, two up, my bicycle. On the back of my motorcycle, we had to ride two up. And he's quite larger than I am. I'm a small person, so I've never had anybody that heavy, but we made it. We got it. We got the gas, and we made it back to the car. And he has his family, his wife, and 2 kids in the car. So hopefully this gas will get him back going, and we can give him a boost. I keep a booster in my bag, so it always come in handy. Randy at Southern Hogs just made a video saying, you know, all the things that he learned on his trip to the Twisted Sisters, you know, like keeping a jumper box and, you know, an air pump. And I always keep that in my bag. So hopefully we'll get it going. So we got gas in her. We're gonna put some coolant in her. And I have my cables on the back for my booster. And that's been on there for about 20 minutes. Here's my booster right here. And so hopefully it's charged up enough where it'll jump her car off. Stay tuned. All right, we're gonna try it in a little bit and see if it's gonna work. What are you doing with it?
Trying to see if it'll oh, I hope.
Still not turning over?
It's turning over, but it ain't.
It ain't catching.
It ain't firing. I wish we'd have got some start fluid.
Well, we didn't put gas in her. We didn't put fluid in her. And my box is on there. Box may or may not be strong enough to fire it up, but it is turning. It's just not initializing. What's happening, man? A 99, huh? Man, that's cool.
Yeah, it was my grandpa's bike. I just got it running, so.
Oh, really?
It was a pile of parts when I got it. He passed away.
Oh, wow. Sorry to hear that, but you got her all back together, huh?
Yeah, I put the 19 on it, put the S&S cars and all that stuff on it.
Yeah.
It's a work in progress. I want to do the chain conversion, and then after I do the chain conversion.
So this is a V-twin cam, right?
It's the Sportster Evo motor.
The Sportster Evo, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Right under the door.
Trying to beat on the fuel pump to see if we can get it to start.
Oh, AAA's on it.
Really?
Yes, sir.
And what's your name again?
My name is John Robinson. I'm from New York City.
From New York.
New York, brother.
Make me want to say, get a rope. No.
Yeah, I'm from Brooklyn. Born and raised.
So you said that was your first time riding on a bike, right?
Oh yeah, my very first time.
Very first time. How was it?
It was cool. I'm gonna get me one.
You think about getting one?
Yeah, I'm thinking about getting me one.
You know what type of bike you might get? I mean, these are more baggers.
I'm gonna do some more looking into it to see what kind of type I want to try out for the first time.
But you enjoyed it that much?
Oh yeah, I enjoyed it because I always see riders and stuff like that, but I never gave it a chance to. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Plus in the city, it's not a lot of. They have bike clubs and stuff like that, but I don't know too many people that ride bikes.
Yeah, we don't. I mean, bike clubs are cool, but you know, Mike and I, Triple T here, we just kind of ride, just hang out.
Yeah.
Go when we
I
want.
noticed that a lot in the South because I lived in North Carolina for about 10 and a half years.
Okay.
So it was a lot of bikers out there. Plus I lived in South Carolina for about 6-7 months. And then the bike week and everything, it's a lot of bike riders go to South Carolina. So yeah.
Well, you know, I'm sorry we couldn't get you going, man.
Oh yeah, it's all good, man. I appreciate you guys stopping.
But you know, as long as you got a AAA coming, and you should be good, man. You know what? It was nice meeting you, man.
It was nice meeting you too.
All right.
Nice meeting you, John. Nice meeting you. And you say your name was what again?
Clutch C.
Clutch C. Okay. Oh yeah.
Go check me out on YouTube.
I'm gonna shout you out on YouTube.
Yeah, do that, man.
Got your info right here.
Do that. I'm gonna unplug this thing before I forget it.
Low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you